In today's video, I'll show you how to stay active in Microsoft Teams. So for this, at first, just go ahead and open up your Microsoft Teams software, or just open up the Microsoft Teams in your browser. And after that, what you have to do is just go to the left-hand navigation menu. You're gonna find chat, and right next to that, you're gonna find video meet. So this is the meeting link. Just go inside this. And from here, you just have to create any of the meeting. So just wait for it to load. And after it loads, you're gonna see that you can create a meeting over here. You can click on create a meeting link. Then just create any meeting. Let's name it Techie Leopard. And just click on create and copy link. Then just give it time. It's gonna create the meeting for you. And after it creates the meeting for you, you just simply go ahead and join the meeting. Now here, the basic idea is the meeting is gonna keep you active as long as you're in the meeting. So just click on join now and just give it some time. And after it has opened up the meeting, what you have to do is simply just go to the top right to your profile icon and click on it. After that, change the status from in call to available. And it's gonna always show you green now. And basically that is it. And that is how to keep your Microsoft Teams always green and active. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.